Have you ever wondered how a nation can turn the tides of war with innovative technology? Let's dive into the recent events where Ukrainian drones launched a major strike against Russian targets. In a daring and strategic move, Ukraine deployed its homegrown unmanned aerial vehicles, soaring over 775 miles into Russian airspace. The target? A fuel depot in the heart of Russia. This wasn't just any depot, it was the Petersburg oil terminal, one of Russia's largest oil shipment terminals. The drones, evading heavy air defenses, carried out a precise and devastating strike, causing a significant disruption in the Russian supply chain. The impact of this operation cannot be overstated. Fuel depots like this one are the lifeblood of any military force, supplying the fuel needed for tanks, aircraft, and other military vehicles. By crippling this crucial infrastructure, Ukraine has dealt a significant blow to Russia's military capability. This operation wasn't just about the destruction of a single depot, it was a display of Ukraine's technological prowess and strategic acumen. The drones managed to bypass Russia's air defenses, which were originally designed to protect against NATO attacks from the west, exploiting gaps and exposing weaknesses. This move has stretched Russia's air defenses, prompting Moscow to bolster defenses on its western border. But perhaps most importantly, it's a powerful statement from Ukraine, a country defending its sovereignty against a much larger adversary. The successful obliteration of the Russian fuel depot signifies a significant blow to their infrastructure, demonstrating Ukraine's determination to defend its sovereignty. But the drones didn't stop there. They took out several substations, causing widespread power outages in the region. In this strategic maneuver, Ukrainian drones targeted and successfully compromised key Russian substations. These substations, critical components of the power grid, are responsible for transforming the high-voltage electricity from power plants into the lower voltage needed for residential and commercial use. When these substations are functioning, life runs smoothly. Lights turn on, machines operate, and communication systems remain reliable. But when they're taken out, as they were in this drone attack, the result is a widespread blackout. Homes go dark, factories grind to a halt, and communication lines can become unpredictable. In military terms, the impact can be even more significant. A power outage can disrupt command and control systems, impede logistics and supply chains, and undermine the morale of the troops. The substations targeted in this attack were not chosen at random. They were critical nodes in the power grid, serving both civilian and military facilities. By causing power outages in these areas, the Ukrainian forces have effectively disrupted the day-to-day operations of these regions and potentially hindered the Russian war effort. It's important to note that this is not just about turning off the lights. It's a strategic move designed to disrupt, confuse, and impede. The loss of power can complicate everything from fuel production to troop movements, from communication to logistics. It's a ripple effect that can impact every aspect of a military operation. Moreover, the psychological impact of these power outages should not be underestimated. The sudden loss of power, the uncertainty of when it will be restored, the disruption to daily life, all of these factors can have a profound effect on morale, both for the troops and the civilians caught in the crossfire. This drone strike, causing widespread power outages, has further crippled the Russian infrastructure, adding to the effectiveness of Ukraine's tactical move. The use of drones in this capacity underscores their potential as a game-changing tool in modern warfare. As we've seen here, they can reach deep into enemy territory, striking critical infrastructure with precision and causing significant disruption. This is a clear demonstration of Ukraine's strategic capabilities and its determination to defend its sovereignty. As tensions continue to escalate, the use of drones in warfare is proving to be a game-changer. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are redefining the battlefield, providing strategic advantages that were once inconceivable. In the Russia-Ukraine conflict, they've become a critical component of Ukraine's defense strategy. Their successful strike against Russian targets underscored their ability to penetrate heavily fortified defenses, a feat that has undoubtedly altered the course of the conflict. Beyond delivering precision strikes, these drones are also vital for surveillance, gathering real-time information from hostile territories and aiding in informed decision-making. This technological advancement in warfare is a testament to the innovative capabilities of the Ukrainian military forces. They've harnessed the power of drone technology to defend their sovereignty, causing significant disruptions to Russian infrastructure and supply chains. The impact of these drones is clear. They're reshaping warfare, transforming conflict dynamics, and proving to be powerful tools in the hands of those who wield them. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation. And remember, in the face of adversity, innovation can indeed turn the tides of war. Thank you for watching. Before we conclude, if you found this content enlightening and wish to stay abreast with the latest developments in the world of warfare technology and global conflicts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us continue to deliver high-quality content like this. By subscribing, you'll not only gain access to a wealth of information, but also become part of a community of like-minded individuals. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, to ensure you never miss an update from us. Your engagement is what fuels our dedication to bringing you the most accurate, in-depth coverage of important global events. We appreciate your support and look forward to continuing to serve you with our content. Thank you for watching and for your continued engagement with our channel.